Hey lovely people, welcome to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and today I'm here with one more interesting video for you guys, and the video is all about my lovely haul. So yeah guys, this is my first clothing haul that I'm gonna share it with you. And as you know, I have been purchasing a lot of the stuff from online marketing. So I have I have done online shopping from some of the websites. One is of Nika, Cooves, Jabong. So this is the video for Cooves haul. So I will be showing you so many things that I have purchased from Cooves. Yeah. So this is the packaging, how it comes in this bag. Yeah, it is the poly bag. So it comes in this poly bag, the cute poly bag I have ever seen. As you can see, the Cooves is written all over here. So this is the poly bag. So jumbo poly bag they have sent me. So first of all, I will be showing you the things that I bought from Cooves. So yeah guys, these are all the things that I bought from Cooves recently. As you all know, 50%, 70% is discount is going on their site. So I thought, why not to grab some of the brands, some good brands from there. So I just shop for Only brand, and then Vero Moda, and yes, so I just want to show you guys, and some one random top is there also. So yeah, let's get started. So first shop I want to show you is this is the top, the very cute top is this, and this is from Vero Moda. As you can see, the Vero Moda brand is written over here, and this is from the size M. So this is the white and blue top, and kind of very cute top. As you can see, the net thing is going on here, and one zipper is given over here also. So you can use it like this or up zipper, and the sleeves is going up to your elbows. And one cute little thing is also given in this top. Is what is this? I want to tell you that yeah, so this is the thing given in this top, and if you want to um, pin it up over here and make it mega sleeves and whatever you want to call it, you can do it by pinning it up here in this button. So it is a very nice thing I got, and you can see the net thing is also going in backward also, backside also up to here. So it is a nice thing because you don't have to wear any other spaghetti or kind of thing inside it, because if you will get a net kind of thing from here to up to here, so you will have to wear some other things, because it will be see-through top. So this is not the see-through top, so you are not gonna wear anything inside it. I mean, this is not required to wear any spaghetti inside this top. So this is the good length top. As you can see, the length is all good, and it comes up to your thighs, so it is also a good thing. So yeah, this was my first top, and I love it so much. So yeah guys, second top that I bought from there is a shirt. So yeah, this is the shirt, and I bought it from hooves.com. As I want to tell you, it looks like this. Yeah, it is the see-through top. As you can see, see-through shirt is this is, but it has some ruffles kind of detailing going over here, as you can see. Yeah, so these are the ruffles, very beautiful it looks after wearing. So it is only brand, it is from the brand Only, and it is also the size M. So as it is a shirt top, so it has some buttons over here. Yeah, so it has buttony things over here, which is so cute. And yeah, it goes like this, and the tag is also here, which cannot be removed. So it says Only, style name, and all the detailings of the top. So yeah, it is the another top. I want to show it from the back also. Yeah, so this is its back. All the ruffles kind of thing is going there also. I hope you can see it. So yeah, you have posted one picture onto my Facebook or Instagram wearing this top when I received gift from the Kipling brand. The bag they gave me on the New Year. I just won some prize from Kipling brand, so they gave me. First of all, they called me in the Palladium Mall and then gifted me that bag. So yeah, one video from that bag is also pending from my side, so I will be shooting it soon for you guys. So it was the second top. And the color, yeah, I want to talk about the color also. The color I like the most, and it looks beautiful on me. Yeah. So second thing, it was the second thing. And yeah, I want to tell you that I also purchased this kind of tank top or whatever you want to call it. It is a spaghetti. So as you know that is a see-through top, and I have so many see-through tops, so it is good to wear something in linings or something printed below that see-through top. So I like this. Next thing that I bought from there is this jegging, and this jegging has zippers over here. As you can see, one zipper is over here and one is over here, and zippers are also here at its bottom. So it is a nice jegging, and its fitting is so much good, I want to tell you guys, and it is very much comfortable, and it is also from Only brand. And the size I'm not gonna tell you. Yeah, so it has two pockets at its back, as you can see. So yeah, it is a another thing that I purchased from Coops.com. So yes guys, these were all the things that I purchased from Coops.com recently, and I will be shooting much more videos that I have purchased from products from Jabong.com and some beauty products from Nykaa.com. So I will be uploading that video soon for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, so please hit like button over there, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So see ya, bye, see you soon, bye, take care.